Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss about cryptocurrency. Without any further ado, we enter into our video. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography. Cryptography is the method of protecting the information and communication through the use of code, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process. With the digital currency, there is a risk that the holder could make a copy of digital coin and send it to a merchant while retaining the original copy. Cryptocurrency makes nearly impossible to these risks and frauds. Typically, cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form and not issued by any central authorities. Cryptocurrency is based on blockchain technology. This technology works under the concept of storing and sharing the database in multiple sites and institutions which are accessible by multiple people. Now I will explain about the types of cryptocurrencies. The first blockchain based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which still remains popular and most valuable. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. As of now, there were 21 billion Bitcoins with market cap of 927 billion. If you don't know about market capitalization, then watch our top 5 companies video. I explained it in detail. There are thousands of alternate cryptocurrencies with various specifications and functions. Some of them cloned from Bitcoin, which are known as altcoins. Top 3 cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin with price $35,347.01 billion, Ethereum with $2,194.87 billion, Binance Coin with $334.96 billion. Now let us know how the prices of cryptocurrencies vary. There are 5 factors which majorly affect the cryptocurrency: node count, supply and demand, mass adoption, scandals, and production cost. Now we will discuss these factors in detail. Node count. Cryptocurrency node is used to estimate the size of cryptocurrency network. It shows how strong the community of cryptocurrency is. So the cryptocurrency with more node count have more price. Supply and demand. Crypto coins are limited. When each coin is mined, then the rate of getting new coin decreases, thereby increasing the demand. Not only the mining, but its popularity also increases demand, where demand is directly proportional to the price of the cryptocurrency. Consider the term coin mining same as coal mining. When the most of the coal is mined, the probability of getting coal decreases. Mass adoption. Let us consider an example that you are a person who always used to pay money through UPI. One day you came to your grandmother village and went out to buy an item. When you go to a shop and ask for QR code for UPI payment, they don't even know what is QR code. Here comes the problem to buy that item. Here is the same situation. If the cryptocurrency is used by most of the people, then automatically its price increases. This is what mass adoption. That means the usability of cryptocurrency in real world increases its chance of becoming mass adopted. Scandals. Before understanding scandals, we will consider a small example. We want to open a bank account in one of the banks. Then we choose the bank which has nice growth and no transaction issues. Same scenario applies here. The coin which has more hacking possibilities has less value. Scandals are nothing but risks. Production cost. The coins are produced by coin mining. Mining of coins is done through network of computers or group of computers, so its production cost is electricity cost. The more the production cost, more will be the coin price. For Bitcoin mining, it costs around $400 million to $6.2 billion per year. The price of the coins are also affected by the prominent persons like Elon Musk. If you are interested to learn more about Bitcoin, read these books: Mastering Bitcoin by Andreas, Crypto Assets by Chris Burniske. Let us summarize what we have learned. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency used as a medium of exchange. It is based on the blockchain technology. Factors influencing are node count, supply and demand, mass adoption, scandals, and production cost. If you have any doubts regarding cryptocurrency, comment below, we will answer them. Thanks for watching.